Josh Borman here in the middle of the Sydney CBD, just outside of the Downing Centre local courthouse, where I've appeared today on an assault matter. There was a few charges involved. There was a common assault offence, which was the most serious of the offences. There was also 2 or 3 other offences in relation to failing to leave a licensed premises when directed to do so. Also failing to leave the vicinity of a licensed premises, and also re-entering a licensed premises when asked to vacate the premises. So, but the main one was the assault. So basically, in late August 2024, our client had attended the Argent Court Hotel, just near the central station here in the city. He'd been there, he'd been with friends, he'd been drinking excessive amount of alcohol. They were starting to get a bit loud. He was asked to leave as per the responsible service of alcohol rules. He left his phone in the gaming section. He went back in to retrieve it. His friends who were still there bought him a drink, and he stayed on and continued drinking despite being asked to leave. So he should have just gone home, to be honest. He'd had too much to drink. Next thing you know, he was grabbed from behind, manhandled, forcibly removed from the premises in quite a violent way, mind you. He was thrown out the doors and he busted his lip and hit his head on the ground out the front of the hotel. He got up from that quite confused and angry, highly emotional, highly intoxicated, and just charged at the security guard, and ended up in a scuffle, throwing a number of punches and kicks, and ended up splitting the lip of the security guard. So very unbecoming behaviour of this young man, very out of character for him. He presented before the court today with an absolutely clean history. Never ever before has he been in any sort of trouble. He's 23 years of age. He's a bricklayer. He's in a relationship. He lives in Pendle Hill. So he's it was a night out on the drink, and it ended up in a very unfortunate set of circumstances where he's been charged with assault, a common assault offence. Now, he's quite lucky that it didn't end up being a charge of assault occasioning actual bodily harm, because he did cause injury to the security guard. But we did direct him to go and do an anger management program before we attended court today, which thankfully he took up our advice. He went and did that. We got a certificate, and we were able to present that to the court to show that he has taken steps to address his anger management issues. We're instructed that he's been off the alcohol, so that was another factor which was taken into account. Presents before the court today with an otherwise excellent character, good references from his boss, his partner, his sister, and then a letter of apology to the court, and obviously completing the anger management program. He pretty much did everything he could have to try and get a good outcome today at court. So we presented the case, explained how it all went down, discussed a bit about our client from a personal point of view and what steps he's taken to address his offending. We did ask the court to consider on this occasion not to record a conviction. It was almost line ball. The magistrate was umming and ahhing, but did eventually accede to our request and did not record a conviction today. She placed our client on a conditional release order for a maximum period of 2 years. So what that means is that it's like a good behaviour bond for a period of 2 years. He can't re-offend during that period. If he does, he will be brought back before the court and re-sentenced on this offence, as well as any other fresh offence which breached the good behaviour bond or the conditional release order. So the main thing today was that he was not fined, and importantly, he did not receive a criminal conviction. So his record remains clean, and I think it's the last time we'll see him first and last time we'll see him before the criminal justice system. I think he's learned his lesson. very good outcome today. So thanks for tuning in here. Just out the front of the Downing Centre in the middle of the Sydney CBD.
I want to thank you for tuning into Borman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.